Imagine this. It's 6 a.m. Your alarm buzzes, and outside, the world is cold and gray. Staying in bed feels tempting, doesn't it? But then you think of something. A goal, a dream, a purpose. That spark pulls you out of the covers. This invisible force is motivation, the quiet power that pushes us forward, even when the path is steep. Motivation isn't just for extraordinary people. It's for all of us, ordinary individuals facing everyday challenges. Take Maria, for example, a single mom working 2 jobs while attending night school. Her days are grueling, yet every evening she opens her textbooks after putting her kids to bed. Why? Because she envisions a future where she can give her children a better life. That vision is her fuel, her reason to keep going. For some, motivation comes from small but meaningful moments. Think of Liam, a factory worker who started running in his spare time to improve his health. At first it was a struggle, aching legs, slow progress, and self-doubt. But one day he ran a little further than before. The feeling of accomplishment kept him lacing up his shoes, and eventually he ran his first marathon. It was about proving to himself that he could do it. Each step was a reminder of his resilience. Motivation often stems from deeply personal reasons. Maya, an introverted teenager, struggled with her confidence. When she joined a local art club, she found a space where she could express herself. With every sketch, she discovered a new sense of pride and purpose. Her motivation didn't come from applause or recognition, but from the quiet joy of creating something uniquely hers. What makes motivation so powerful is its adaptability. It doesn't have to look the same for everyone. For some, it's about the big picture, a dream of owning a business, traveling the world, or making a difference. For others, it's about small victories, learning a new skill, finishing a book, or simply getting through a tough day. But here's the truth. Motivation isn't always there when we need it. It's not a magic force that appears on command. Sometimes we have to create it ourselves. We do this by setting small, achievable goals and celebrating progress, no matter how tiny. Each success builds momentum, like a snowball rolling downhill. In moments of doubt, community can also reignite motivation. Think of your own life. Hasn't a kind word or encouragement from a friend ever helped you push through a tough time? A cheer from the sidelines can make all the difference when you feel like giving up. So the next time you find yourself hesitating, remember that motivation isn't about being unstoppable or fearless. It's about finding that one reason to take the next step, no matter how small. Like Maria, Liam, and Maya, your journey doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to keep moving forward. And that's the hidden power of motivation. It's not about who you are today, but about who you're becoming tomorrow.